Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a kitten. So to start off with our kitten, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a little circle like this. And then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another little circle over here. Now inside of here, I'm going to draw a small circle. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of this, just to kind of fill it in. Now, right between the eyes, I'm going to go down a little bit, and I'm going to draw a little line that goes across, kind of looks like a little mouth. And then I'm going to make a little V shape right here for the nose. Now, starting at the tip of the nose right here, you want to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around. And then you want to do the same thing on this side for some cheeks. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around here for the mouth. Now, starting up here, I'm going to just draw a little line that curves across for the top of the head. And then right here at this line, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down. I want it to be pretty big. And then I want to do the same thing here, just kind of curve it up with a curved line. And then I'm just going to curve it down like this. Now, on the sides of the face here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple little zigzag lines in here like this as I go down. So same thing here, just kind of curve down, and then I'm just kind of going back up and down for a couple more little zigzag lines. And then as I come down here, I might put in just a couple more on the face of our little kitten, just so it looks like he's kind of furry. Now, in the ears here, I'm just going to draw a couple little zigzag lines. And I don't want these to touch the sides, I just want them to be right in the middle. And then I'm going to make a little curved line that just goes right up towards the top, but I don't want it to touch. And that's just going to be the little inside part of the ear. Now, on each of these little cheeks, I'm just going to make some quick little skinny lines for some whiskers. Now, right under here, I'm going to draw two lines that go down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve to here, and then curve to here, and I want to leave just a little bit of space right in the middle. Then, right in that little space, I'm going to draw an oval. And then right around it, I'm going to make a circle for a little tag. Now for the body of our kitten. So, starting back here by the neck, I'm going to start a little bit higher than this collar. And I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve up to here. The body's not going to be too big because we want it to be small. Then starting here at this line, not at the end, but at this line, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and it's going to kind of curve out. And then it's just going to kind of curve back down towards the body, and we'll end right about there. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a couple little zigzag lines, just to kind of show a little bit of fur. And then for this arm, or this leg, I'm going to start here and draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to kind of curve around, and then it's just going to come back up here for the leg. Then I'm going to do the same. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a couple little zigzag lines first. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to go down. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here, and then it's going to come over. And then I'm just going to go up, and I'm going to kind of curve in and then connect to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, And I'm going to curve around, and I'm just going to connect it right here to this foot. I want this one to just be a little bit higher than that one. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. Now, I want to put another foot here, so I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to kind of curve around to this foot. I want it to kind of line up with this one, so then I'm just going to curve around. And then just come back up like this. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of a longer line on the ends of these right here. And I'm going to add two little curved lines for the toes. So I'm going to put two on this one, and I'm going to put two on this one right here. But then on these back here, because they're on the other side of the body, I'm just going to put one toe on each. And there you go, there's your drawing of a kitten. Now there's things you could do, you could add spots on here, you could put stripes, there's lots of different stuff you can do. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.